Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a simple app in the SKETCH WARE. This is a new app and it's really easy to make apps in this app. So let's start with the new project. I'm going to name this a simple project. Nope. Dot something like your company name. Looks great. I'll name the project simple app and same here. And the app I can let it be that. So in this tutorial we'll be having a text view and a button, and when the button is clicked we'll set the text of the text view to something you like. So this is all we need in the UI section, and we're gonna move to logic section, and you're gonna click the button. You can see that the following codes will be called when the button is clicked. So to change the text there should be a function. You can find it here. Set text function. Great. And you have to click here and select the text view. Good. And you have to write what I gotta set the text hello world. Well, that's all. It's that simple. Now let's run the program. The app. Okay. Open. So you can see that when I click here, you can see the text hello world here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this and hit the like button.